fast and easy instructions on how to get the perfect fit for your new Nickel Smart belt. The absolute best way to measure for a belt is to measure your size through the belt loops of the pants you will be wearing with the new belt you are ordering. Of course, you need to do this while wearing those pants. Take a cloth tape measure or a piece of rope or anything that will easily fit through those belt loops. I'm using a piece of rope here today. You want to hold tightly to both ends. Take your tape measure and let's see what I measure here. I got 34 inches, so 34 is my belt size. So write down your measurement and get ready to do some shopping. How easy is that? There is another way to measure for belt size, and if you keep watching this fun and educational video, we will reward you at the end with a discount. Measuring an old belt is another way to identify your belt size. So go to your closet, get out your old, favorite, best fitting belt. This one here is my husband's. And of course, his is certified nickel free, so he never has to worry about those itchy tummy rashes. You want to place your belt on the table. And you want to measure between the buckle fold. Okay, let's stop there. The buckle fold is where the end of the belt meets the belt buckle. Measure between the buckle fold, this is very important, and the hole that you use the most often. So our tape measure says 37 inches between the buckle fold and the hole that you use most often. So we have a couple of choices here. You can either order a size 36 for a little bit of a shorter fitting belt, or a size 38, which would be a longer fitting belt. If your old belt measures exactly 36 inches between the buckle fold and the hole that you use most often, you would know to order a size 36. Your new belt would then have 2 holes on either side of the hole at 36 inches. So this will allow a little extra wiggle room. We hope this was helpful to you, and we look forward to having you as a customer. If you have nickel allergies or just love a great fitting belt, we're sure you'll be excited about what we have to offer.